Hello everyone, welcome to the channel, and in this video I'll show you how to use Tradingview demo accounts. So guys, we also have tutorials on how to actually create the demo accounts. It's actually pretty simple. You can go ahead and watch those, but after you do, also make sure, firstly before proceeding, to very carefully make sure that you actually use the paper trading, okay? So that you don't see your actual account in here. So as you can see in my case, it's just paper trading. And now guys, how to use it? Well, you can just basically start buying. So if you want to buy stocks, for example, I just chose Tesla, just an example. So how do we do this? So in the order, you can just choose the shares, for example. You can set the value of the money. You can use the exits, which are of course the take profit and stop loss. For example, you can set the stop loss. And then you can just press on buy, for example. Let's say 25 shares. Okay, just buy. Then, as you can see, estimated money impact is for main order only. So as you can see, we have a summary here of everything. We have the symbol, ask, size, bid, all of the information, last size. We have the stop loss, currency chosen, commission, leverage, 1-to-1, etc. As you can see, and also the trade value. Then just press on send order, and as you can see, our stop loss is rejected, which is fine. This is something probably that I've chosen incorrectly. So this is how you use it, guys. So just pretty much, in general, you just use this paper trading option, which is the demo account option, in the same exact way as if you used the actual live accounts, right, where you actually use your real money to trade. And pretty much you can now practice, get more familiar with the platform, and of course not have any fear of actually losing some cash. And in general, yeah, this is just a very safe option to get more familiar. So that's how you use this. Guys, if you enjoyed, press like on the video and subscribe. I will see you in the next video.